Now we're going to see the Argil Robertson pupils. These are seen on the three S's. You can remember as syphilis, tertiary syphilis, called tabes dorsalis. This is the lesion that is produced on the spinal cord. Next S is sugar. Sugar means diabetes mellitus. And the third S is systemic lupus erythematosus. Now, Argil Robertson pupil is a pupil that does not respond to light, but accommodation is intact. So, let me remember the parasympathetic innervation of the eye. We begin with Edinger-Westphal nucleus, third cranial nerve, peripheral fibers, ciliary ganglion. Here is release of acetylcholine, two acetylcholine nicotinic receptors, postganglionic neuron, and the target organ would be the constrictor of the sphincter of the pupilla or the ciliary muscle. In ciliary muscle, the ciliary muscle, suspensory ligaments, the lenses. When we contract the ciliary muscle, the ligaments relaxes. We have a round shape of the lens. We increase the refractive index of the lens that we see near object. This is called accommodation. And the pupillary reflex that we will see doing meiosis. Meiosis will be here due to the constrictor of the pupilla. We put light on one eye, stimulate these ganglionic cells of the optic nerve. They do synapse on the pretectal nucleus, then to the Edinger-Westphal nucleus bilateral, then to the ciliary ganglion, I am in this part, and then to the constrictor of the pupilla. And we will see meiosis. This will be the direct reflex, consensual reflex. Pupils of Argil Robertson do not respond to light. So we would not see meiosis when we do the pupillary reflex, but we would see accommodation. That is, we would see meiosis when we do accommodation. Accommodation is we try to see near objects, and besides this increasing refractive index of the lens, when we try to see near objects, three things happen: accommodation, the convergence of the eyes to the third oculomotor nerve, and meiosis. So we will see meiosis associated with accommodation, but not to the pupillary light reflex. So pupils of Argil Robertson are said pupils that do not respond to light, but to accommodation do, or accommodation is intact.